friends, my name is Diksha and I am pursuing MC Integrated course from IIPS UTP Indore. I am a second year student. I am giving presentation on some topics of discrete mathematics. Now, you will ask a question, what is a subset? A subset is said to be a subset if all the elements of P are present in P is known as a subset. You can also see an example here. Now, what is a multiset? A multiset is said to be a multiset if the concept of a set is that the collection of objects in which all the elements occur once or more times is said to be a multiset. Now, what is a countable set? A countable set is said to be countable if there exists one-to-one correspondence between the natural numbers is known as countable set. You can also see the example here. The natural numbers of even number is said to be a countable. Here one-to-one correspondence is here, that corresponds to one, only one element correspond to each other is known as countable sets. Now, uncountable set is said to be uncountable if it does not belong to one-to-one correspondence is known as uncountable sets. Now, you may ask a question, what is a Venn diagram? A Venn diagram uses overlapping of circles or other shapes to illustrate the logical relationship between the sides. You can see an example here that you may understand what is a Venn diagram. Now, you may ask what is a set operation. Set operation is defined as the operation that will perform one-to-one sets to obtain a single set containing a combination of elements from both the sets being operated upon. It is basically of three types: the union, intersection, and the complements of set. Now you may ask what the three types of the sets of operation that are the union, intersection, and complement. Now, what is union? Union is the set of two elements, set A and set B. It is defined as the set of elements which lie in set A and set B, or both elements in set A and set B together is known as union. Now, it is denoted by the symbol U. It's known as union. Now, intersection of two sets A and B, or the set of those elements in which the common of set A and set B is known as union, and its symbol is this. So you can understand by that. Now, what is the complement of set A? The complement of set A is defined as the set that contains the element present in the universal set. The universal set is the natural number of sets that start with 0 to the infinite is known as complement of set. You may also understand by the example here shown, and the diagram also is known as complement of sets. Now, you may ask that what is the algebra of sets? Algebra of set focus on the relationship between subsets in a way similar to arithmetic addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division between numbers. There are binary operations that apply to a set, such as union, intersection, and complementation of sets, and also in subsets. So, thank you for watching my video. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.